Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare chicken sholay kabab. It is prepared on the stove top and it's very simple to prepare. I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using skinless and boneless chicken breast. I've cut the chicken breast slightly larger in piece, washed it thoroughly, drained all the excess moisture out, patted dry and reserved it. We need yogurt, half a lime, finely chopped garlic and finely chopped chilies. We also require curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, orange or red food coloring, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, dried fenugreek, Kasoori Methi that is, and Garam Masala powder. We also require charcoal. If you have access for liquid smoke, you can also use that. So all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. A detailed recipe is posted on my blog. Whenever you're using chicken breast, slightly cut it into larger pieces. If you cut it into medium or tiny pieces, it tends to grow very dry and it doesn't taste that good. I've added the chicken pieces to a mixing bowl. Now to the chicken I've added yogurt, chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and Kasoori Methi. I've also added 1.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. We'll add that half a lime that I'm going to juice and I'm going to add it. I'll be adding few drops of orange food coloring, salt as per taste. Once I massage and marinate the chicken in all the ingredients, I'm going to place a cover and place this in the refrigerator for a minimum of 6 hours, or you have to leave this for a minimum of 8 hours if you want a very tasty and juicy chicken. So you have to follow the rule. Place a cover, place this in the refrigerator overnight. Prepare this a day before. The next day your chicken will taste really good. Now the next day I'm going to start preparing the chicken. I've heated a wok on medium flame. Now to the wok I'm going to add the marinated chicken. I'm not going to waste any of that marination. I've added 1/4 cup of water to the marination and I've diluted it and transferred it back to the chicken. At this point, place it on medium to low flame. The chicken has to cook. Make sure you cook your chicken thoroughly and then dry it out, because this chicken breast will tend to dry out fast. It will tend to become very dry and it will taste like cardboard. So that's the reason I've added water. I'm going to cook the chicken first. I've placed it on medium flame and I'm going to cook it on medium flame. You can always adjust the salt later. I tasted and I'm going to adjust the salt at this point. Once the chicken has cooked, you can place it on high flame. Allow it to boil. Now I'm adjusting the salt, as you can see. Keep stirring it and place it on high flame and allow the chicken to cook faster and all that excess moisture to completely evaporate. Once the excess moisture has evaporated halfway through, at this point you can add your chopped chilies, curry leaves and finely chopped garlic. I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll be adding ghee later on. So now the chicken has to cook with the garlic, chili and curry leaves. It will infuse with all the flavors. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now on the stove burner I've placed the charcoal and I'm burning it. We need a very hot charcoal. You can see the chicken is starting to dry out at this point. That moisture has completely evaporated. I've added ghee. I'll place the charcoal piece in this and I'm going to smoke the chicken. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my links to my social media will be listed in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted on YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. I ended up adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now the chicken has cooked thoroughly. Now I'll place it on very low flame, or you can put a tawa underneath and place the karai on top and place it on low flame. I've placed the charcoal piece in a bowl and added just a quarter teaspoon of ghee in that charcoal, and I'm going to cover the chicken and smoke it. So after 15 minutes, my chicken is done. It's been on dum for 15 minutes. My chicken sholay is done. South India being a very humid and hot climate, we don't prefer using charcoal or barbecue at home, but people who can prepare it on charcoal. But this is the simplest version that you can prepare on the stove top. I've gone ahead and served my chicken sholay kabab. It turned out excellent. This pairs very well with biryani or naans. You can also prepare roti rolls using these chicken sholay kababs. All the links to my social media and blog will be in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. If you enjoyed watching my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.